Sanibonani Mzansi, Thobela Mzansi, Dumela Mzansi, bon dia. Africa do Sul, goeiedag, good day to all of you talented, gifted and potentialful campeones, champions out there. My name is William George Moises and welcome to the official King in Me YouTube channel. Now I'm pumped, I'm excited, I'm fired up for your life. Why? Because your life has got purpose, your life has got meaning, your life has got so much significance and value attached to it. So maybe you're asking yourself, what on earth is King in Me? Well, simply in a nutshell, KINGinme is a local youth movement that was started by God's grace in 2015. And since then, we've been able to work with over 60 different schools, sports teams, businesses, organizations, a rehab center, a juvenile detention center. And we believe that God is just taking us from glory to glory. And I know and I trust and believe that we will have a global impact. So I'm hoping that you would jump onto this channel, that you would subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you can ultimately be notified when new content or when content is uploaded to this channel. Join the movement and just know today, namhlanje, that your life matters.